Hello friends, my name is Tandil. We introduce you a small working prototype model of thermoelectric refrigeration system which is portable. It works on two effects, filter effect and Seebeck effect. So we will discuss this effect. This is a filter module and we will see how does it works. If we give input as a electricity to the filter module, and it will give output as a temperature difference which is in the form of a heating or a cooling, and a Seebeck effect says that it is exactly opposite of filter effect. Now we will show the filter effect. Now we will discuss all the components. This is the outer part of the system and it is used for insulation. This is aluminium tray and it is used for preservation. This is battery and it is used to give power. This is a filter modules. If we give input as an electricity to this filter module, and it will give output as a temperature difference. This is most important part of the system. This is cooling fan. It is used to reject the heat. This is the rectangular fin and it is used to remove the heat coming from the hot surface of the module. These two devices are used for analysis of the system. This is thermometer. It is used for temperature measurement, and this is multimeter. It is used to measure voltage and ampere. Okay. Now from the above mentioned components, we shall prepare these working prototype models. In that we are using two terminals, one is positive and one is negative. These two terminals are directly connected to the filter module, and the filter module and the cooling fans are connected in parallels. In between that the fin are using. Now the process. When we apply a DC power source to these filter modules, the hot surface of the module is directly connected to the fin, and the main purpose of the fin is to increase the heat transfer rate. The outer surface of the fin is used to reject the heat to the cooling atmosphere with the help of cooling fans. In that process, this part of the refrigerant is used for cooling purpose, and this part of the refrigerant is used for heating purpose. Stop. Now connect these two terminals to the battery. And we can see that the fan is running and our system is running. Now with the help of thermometer, the atmospheric temperature is around 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. As the heat sinks, we are using as a 4 volt. When the thermometer is inserted inside the refrigeration system, and we can see that the temperature of refrigeration after some time, so we will insert the thermometer to the refrigeration system. Now we can see the temperature. The temperature is around 18 degrees Celsius. So we can say that our system is working.